Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one has 4 stars. And it will be number 7581. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 15. Should be an easy one. But it's indicated with 4 stars. Yeah, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, cannot see duo boxes. I see triple boxes. Here we have a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given, so these 2 should be the 1 and the 3. Here also a triple box. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, but the other numbers could be everywhere. This box should be a 2 or a 3. Alright. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, or the inside box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. This box should be also 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra box? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well. Overlook this dual box. Yeah, this is the dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Quadra boxes, I see here only 1 quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z or the S construction. This is the S construction, I believe. If you rotate this, you will get the S. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here next to the original shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Well. A 1. Then we have more of these kind of shapes here. We have another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. Well. Not too fast. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. It's rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. It's connected with that box, should be so 1 or 2. But also in the T shape, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. Then the following shape, the final shape, I believe. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be 5, and these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me see. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Then. Well. I'm thinking. This box can be a 5. We have a 5 there. But also, that box can be a 5. Because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So this can be a 5. So that box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Right. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there then. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5, it should be here. Alright. Okay. And now. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in this box. Here we have a pair, 1 and 2. That means this box in this T-shaped area should be the number 3. Is connected with that box, should be so a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 now. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. Is connected with this box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. But also these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Now. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. I've marked this box with 2 or a 3. Well, we have a 2 now. so it can't be a 2 anymore. Should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for the numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be and a 5 goes in there. Then. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. Alright, and now these 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And then this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 4 goes, and there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Should be here. 2 numbers left for the quadra box for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then, let me see, these are 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, need a 3 here. Well, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to wait here. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. Not the solution to place the 2 there. Only place left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Then, well, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. let me see. These 2 boxes give me 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, give me a 5. Yes. And 2 numbers left in this course area for numbers 1 and 2. Well, we have a double 2 now. That means that this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes, so can say that this is a 1 star, but it's not a 4 star, not a 3 stars, so let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudokus, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Friday. Yes, last working day of the week. Until then, bye bye for now.